CakeWallet is a completely open source and non-custodial wallet, that means you have full control of your funds. But with that, you take on the responsibility of managing your funds and keeping your private keys and seed phrase safe and secure. The best way to do this is to create secure backups of your seed phrase. So for example, if you just have them saved in an encrypted password manager, that may sound safe, but what if something happened to the software or you somehow got locked out of the account? Depending on your desired level of security, you can write your backups on a piece of paper and put it in a fireproof bag or safe, or some people even engrave them into stainless steel. Okay, so let's jump into where to find your seed phrase in the CakeWallet app and then what to do if you ever need to restore it. So to find it, simply open the CakeWallet app and click on the ellipses in the top right-hand corner. There you'll be directed to a whole menu of options, one of them being show seed/keys. So if you click on that, you'll need to enter your PIN again, and then you'll get access to both your public and private keys and your seed phrase. These are the things you want to make sure you back up. Now, when and how might you use this seed phrase? Well, I'm going to walk you through 3 different scenarios: rescan, restore, and reconnect. Every once in a while, you may need to rescan the app, and this might be if there's some kind of node issue or the automatic sync doesn't happen for some reason. So rescanning will basically resync your account, and the nice thing is that your seed phrase will already be in the app, and so you won't really need to enter anything except maybe the date or the block height when you created the wallet. Now, if you ever need to restore your account, this would be if the seed phrase is no longer on the device. Perhaps you deleted the app, you got a new phone, or you wanted to bring the account from a desktop to mobile. You would simply click the restore button and input your private keys and seed phrase to regain access to your Monero account. What's important here is that you enter either a block height or date. The date to enter is the date you created the wallet. And if you enter the date, the block height will be automatically calculated for you. And then there's reconnect, which basically just forces the app to read the latest transaction from your last sync. I hope you found this video about seed phrases helpful. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll be back soon with more Monero and CakeWallet explainer videos.